Explore the differences, similarities, and opportunities between AI and human intelligence to understand its impact. Artificial intelligence has become ubiquitous and is changing the way we do things. While it was initially just a system that could perform specific tasks following instructions, it has now evolved to resemble human intelligence. However, are the similarities significant? Understanding the differences and similarities between AI and human intelligence can provide valuable insights into technology and its limitations. So, let's explore the battle of the brains and see how it will shape technology and society in the future. It is important to note that artificial intelligence, AI, should not be equated with human intelligence, as it is simply a type of intelligence created by computer systems. There are two types of AI: narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks, and general AI, which has the ability to understand, learn, and accomplish tasks that typically require human intervention. While AI has many benefits and applications in various industries, it is not a replacement for human intelligence and capabilities. AI systems can recognize patterns, process human language, develop autonomous systems, predict results using data, and more. AI is based on machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning trains algorithms on datasets to identify patterns and make decisions. Neural networks are artificial neurons that process data and generate results. AI is often used to automate repetitive tasks in various fields, such as healthcare. It can analyze medical images, diagnose illnesses, and create customized healthcare plans. However, doctors still cross-check the results since these technologies are still developing. In the financial sector, AI is used to detect fraud and sometimes responsible for credit scoring. It can analyze large amounts of financial data and even make investment decisions based on that data. However, the most common use of AI in this field is customer service. Virtual assistants and chatbots are increasingly used in businesses to answer customer inquiries and provide personalized recommendations on products and services. As complex beings, our cognitive abilities are reliant on the collection of data from the world around us, as well as our sensory input. Once this information is gathered, we apply our knowledge and reasoning skills to analyze, solve issues, and determine the best course of action. This process allows us to think critically and make informed decisions. Our problem-solving skills are useful in daily life, from basic math problems to finding the quickest route to work or fixing a remote control. Our social interactions depend on intelligence, too. We use it to read people's emotions, respond appropriately, and adhere to social norms. Emotional intelligence helps us empathize with others and build relationships. Language is also an indicator of intelligence since we use it to express our thoughts and ideas. Artificial intelligence systems have the ability to process vast amounts of data and make predictions based on that data, much like humans do. One example of this is image recognition, where the AI system is able to analyze patterns and identify objects, a task that humans typically perform with ease. Machine learning enables AI systems to learn and enhance their processes and services over time. These systems possess a type of memory that retains past information and combines it with new insights to modify their behavior. Additionally, they can store and recall vast amounts of data from the internet. Humans also learn and improve their understanding of the world through experience and past knowledge, making connections between information. Artificial intelligence, AI, systems have the ability to learn and recognize patterns in data to make informed decisions and solve complex problems. In a similar manner, humans consider various internal and external factors to devise a strategic plan and adjust accordingly to changing situations. Both AI and humans rely on their cognitive abilities to effectively navigate and succeed in their respective domains. AI systems, like human decisions, can be biased. They are trained on human-created information that may express unfairness and foster inequalities. Thus, transparency and accountability are crucial for AI, as it is for humans. In cases of biased information or harmful misconceptions, AI creators should be held accountable and resolve these issues quickly. People possess a unique quality of self-awareness that shapes their actions and reactions. This self-awareness is rooted in their thoughts and emotions, which guide their behavior in a given situation. However, AI lacks this crucial experience, which can make it challenging to navigate the complex and ever-changing world around us. Humans can form relationships through emotional intelligence, understanding and responding to emotions, showing empathy, and reacting accordingly. AI is incapable of expressing emotions or understanding them, and can only provide superficial advice. They instead mimic human feelings to respond politely and avoid offending users. Humans possess common sense, which enables them to comprehend context and make decisions based on various circumstances. However, AI systems lack common sense reasoning since they are not aware of context. They only depend on the information they learn and cannot establish connections between background knowledge and current facts. Additionally, they find unfamiliar situations challenging to navigate, which can take them by surprise. Humans are capable of producing fresh ideas and original work, whether it's in the form of art or problem solving. However, AI systems require human prompts and are limited by predefined patterns when generating art. Collaboration between AI and human intelligence can enhance productivity, create new job roles, and improve quality of life. Ethical issues must be considered. AI cannot replace human intelligence or emotionality. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you get all of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching.